impact after impact. What you see on your screens now is the tweet that has come in from the Twitter handle of the BJP, and the BJP is quoting the Republic Newsbreak. It goes on to say, चाहे कितना भी झूठ बोल लो, जनता जानती है कि 2019 की लड़ाई राजा महाराजा बनाम चौकीदार की है. And look very closely, what they have tagged at the bottom of that tweet again is the Republic Newsbreak. You got that first response from Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, where she did come out and say that हम कोई राजा महाराजा वाली party नहीं है, and she was responding to what the Prime Minister has said earlier when it comes to Robert Vadra. The story moving very, very fast. A lot of reactions continue to come in. We are also trying to get in our colleagues to get you more perspective on that story. But that is the BJP now responding to Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, and they say कि 2019 की लड़ाई अब राजा महाराजा बनाम चौकीदार की है. Our colleague Abhishek and Sumaira both joining us on the broadcast, and I want to first take it to Abhishek. Abhishek, this is significant. This is big because, you know, this could again change the narrative, much like what the Prime Minister has said earlier, कि चौकीदार चोर है versus मैं भी चौकीदार. Now this is one more campaign because the BJP says कि 2019 की लड़ाई अभिषेक राजा महाराजा बनाम चौकीदार की होगी.
So it's about what BJP is saying, that it will be about Chaukidar versus Raja Maharaja, and they have also responded to what Priyanka Gandhi said.
Well, you know, it is something which began on our platform in the interview of Prime Minister to Editor-in-Chief Arnab Goswami, and Prime Minister essentially spoke in detail about how this dynasty has actually acquired a halo of a ruling elite. And in that context, Priyanka Gandhi is trying to justify her claims. It's almost like 3 days back when she said that, you know, if I am a dynast, so what? So it's like, you know, they are so casual about it, or they are so comfortable with this idea that they are dynasts, that they are not even, they are in denial about it.
Abhishek, see, we've been talking about it since morning, and we've been saying that everything that has happened during the interview, whatever Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said, is setting the agenda for 2019. And see, this Raja Maharaja versus Chaukidar is picking up. Priyanka Gandhi herself reacted, now BJP is reacting, so this is becoming a big issue now.
It's going to be the very defining narrative of 2019 campaign in many ways, that while Prime Minister styles himself as Chaukidar, and in the interview he has actually elaborated on what he means by Chaukidar. It is the spirit of a gatekeeper. In fact, he borrowed the idea of trusteeship from Mahatma Gandhi when he explained his idea of being a Chaukidar, versus these ruling elites, the Lutyens ruling elites typified by the Gandhi family, and the manner in which they conduct themselves almost with a halo or an aura of kings of yore. That's what Prime Minister meant when he explained in detail what he means by dynasty and versus a Chaukidar.
All right, both Sumaira and Abhishek, they're getting us that perspective from Republic Bharat newsroom. Yes, Sumaira, you can also add in a point, and then we'll actually break for our viewers the very first response from Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. Sumaira, but first to you.
Yes, so Deepthi, Priyanka Gandhi first responded on this, and we were highlighting this since today morning, that how Prime Minister Narendra Modi has spoken about the Gandhi Vadra family and said that they believed.
The interview has forced them to respond.
And they have responded now.
It's really hitting where it hurts, because the manner in which the Prime Minister has really, you know, spoken in detail about what he means by Chaukidar, what he means by dynasty, and why he believes that dynasty is not good for democracy. It strikes at the root of democracy, and that is why perhaps Priyanka was really forced to respond.
And see, Abhishek, Priyanka does not respond on the specific charge that Prime Minister Modi made against them. He said that they believe that they were going to rule on this country forever, and they choose not to even respond to notices. So they believe that they are above law. So she's not responding on that. She's just responding on one statement saying that we are not Maharajas.
No, because they are so comfortable under their skin about the fact that they are actually having this halo of being royalty of some kind. But the real charge perhaps which has riled Priyanka Gandhi and made her respond today is because Prime Minister said that this kind of dynasty strikes at the roots of democracy. It kills intra-party democracy, and which in turn creates a situation where in the overall polity, we have a situation where real talent, for example, in the Congress party, cannot think of going beyond a certain level because the post of the party president is reserved for one family.
Yes, and now the whole family is there within the party. Priyanka Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi. Deepti.